Alright, we got it for you third and final round. Now, Sir Jimwell, watch this very carefully, okay? Because this is the hardest part of your challenge. For round 3, all you have to do is, okay, is slide and stop right over there. Hey, Sir Jimwell, where are you going? Kaya mo lang, sir, you volunteered for this, remember? Come on, sir. Folks, kaya-kaya ni Sir Jimwell yan, di ba? How about some encouragement? Come on, guys. Yes, sir. Now, Sir Jimwell, do you need some help? Okay, do we need to count? Okay, folks, now let's count. 1, 2, 3. Come on, Sir Jimwell, just slide and stop. Come on, slide. What did you do? So you know I told you to slide and stop, not to slide and spin like that. Okay, well folks, I think this is the end of our challenge. How about a big round of applause for Sir Jimwell?